Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to install Google Play Store or an Android app on PC. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up your web browser. And now type down Google Web Store in the search bar. Click on the link. Once the site opens up, again search for Android Online Emulator in the search box. Now select any emulator from the given list and then click on the Add to Chrome option next to it. Then tap Add Extension. Once the emulator has been added to Chrome, next tap on the puzzle-like icon in the upper toolbar. From the drop-down menu, click on the emulator that you just added. Now it'll open up. Now click on Enter button. Next, select Run Emulator. Now it'll open up in a new tab. From here, select the Start button. Now it might take a while until the emulator gets progressed. Once it's done, click on the Enter button. Again, wait for a while. And once it's done, click on the Start button. Once the emulator has been launched, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your phone. Here you can see that the Play Store has been added to the screen. Now you can sign into your Google account to access the Google Play Store. Once the Play Store is installed, you can use it to download and install any Android apps on your PC. So this was a tutorial on how to install Google Play Store or any Android app on PC. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.